Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Fonts for title cards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Fonts for your title cards, begin by navigating to the Adobe Fonts website. Log into your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Adobe Fonts dashboard. Browse through the extensive library of fonts available on the platform. Select the font that best fits your project needs. Click on the font to view its details and styles available. Next, click the Activate Fonts button to add it to your active fonts list. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the activation. Once confirmed, the font is now linked to your Adobe. Open your design software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects. Ensure that your software is synced with your Adobe account. Now, navigate to the font selection area within your design software. You'll see the activated Adobe fonts in the font drop-down menu. Select the font you activated earlier for your title card. Adjust the size and styling according to your design requirements. Once satisfied with your design, proceed to save your project. Your title card is now ready with the authenticated Adobe font. Feel free to repeat these steps for any additional fonts you wish to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.